Are you thinking about working in live chat as a career? Wondering if it's worth your time and effort? In order to assist you in making an informed choice, we are here to reveal the reality of live chat jobs. Let us discuss the advantages first. You can pick your own hours for work with live chat jobs. This may be especially practical if you simply want to work from home or if you have other obligations. The range of businesses and sectors that use live chat agents is another benefit. There are many options available to you, regardless of your interests in fashion, technology, or healthcare. How about the money that can be made? In fact, many companies that hire people to chat online make their employees eligible for bonuses and other incentives. You could make a respectable living doing any of these things. Now, let us talk about the challenges. Handling multiple chats at once can be hard, especially during busy times. It requires strong multitasking and excellent communication skills. This is not the right job for you if you get flustered easily or if you have trouble typing quickly. Finally, establishing a solid rapport with clients via text can be challenging for some people. Outstanding customer service in this role requires genuine empathy and the ability to actively listen to customers. In conclusion, live chat jobs can be a great career option due to the variety of fields in which they are found, the high pay, and the ease with which they can be started. However, they also present difficulties, such as juggling multiple tasks at once and developing meaningful relationships with customers via text messages. Think about what you are good at and where you could use improvement before you dive in. To those who have been following along, thank you. Subscribing to our channel is a must if you liked this video and want to see more of the same. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and job-related tips. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Click on the link in the description for more information.